Hey guys, it's Jonathan here. I'm just going to show you one of my stations, and I'll give you a tour of it, but I can't show you back because it's kind of hard. I'll just maybe show you a little bit of a wreck and stuff. So yeah, here we go. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back here with a video. Sorry. Get out of the way, get out of the way. Okay, so here's my station. You know, right here, it's an Xbox Fire Station. Station 2, it's built on September 2014, Tuesday, September 30th. Jonathan and Jamie, my little sister, with me in Crap Fire Station and back in Crap. As you can see, just the little station. Oh yeah, here's a car wreck that I reviewed a week ago. I think sometime. I'll show you another one, but here's this car wreck. It's going to be saved by a NASCAR track and cars getting on the track trying to repo a race car in the middle of the track. If you can see it, comment, like, and subscribe. So I gotta see if this works. Sorry guys. Alright, here we go. Okay, the car's in the middle of the track. Got it? Alright guys, we gotta go get that car.